Hello, this is your Sony a6300 camera tutorial. Today we'll be showing you the different functions and camera techniques of your Sony a6300 so you can become a pro at using your camera. First, we will discuss how to change camera modes. At the top, you'll notice the dial that's set at auto. We'll switch that to the M setting, which is manual, which you will be using for the majority of the class. Next, we will show you how to zoom in with your camera and adjust the manual focus. Right here, this little zoom knob will be used to zoom in and out on your camera. Just above that is your focus ring. This is how you will manually focus. Right here is your pop-up menu. From here, you can adjust your white balance, shutter speed, and your ISO. To access your exposure meter, you need to click 4 times on your display button located at the top of your click wheel. Once you're on the proper display menu, you will notice a line graph with numbers ranging from -5 to 5. That is your exposure meter. You can check your exposure by the little arrow located on the top of the number line just above the numbers. If that little arrow is in the negative range, then your image is underexposed, which means you need more light in your image. If that little arrow happens to be in the positive range, that means your image is overexposed, which means you need less light in your image. You want to try shooting for the middle range, which is 0. That will guarantee you get a properly exposed image. Also, the dial located right next to your mode dial is your f-stop. This is how you'll be able to change the aperture of your camera. Press the menu button located above the screen to change date and time and to format your camera. Note, formatting your camera will erase all images on the card. Once you format, you can't go back. Camera care techniques. First off, turn off your camera when done. Put the lens cap back over the lens. Make sure the camera is put back into the box correctly. It has the designated cutout for which way the camera needs put in. Wrap the neck strap up to make sure it's in there properly. Here and here, you will notice you have a lens, a card case, a battery, audio pack, extra camera battery, no, right now we'll show you how to change your lens. First, you'll press the little button located on the front of your camera and twist your lens. Next, you will take the rear lens cap off your camera. And take the other lens off. Make sure the white dots line up when you connect it to your camera. In one swift motion, twist until you hear a click on the camera. That will tell you that the lens has been properly connected. And now you're set to use your telephoto lens. Same way as we put it on is how you take it off. You press the button, twist, click, remove the rear lens cap, find the white dot on the camera and lens, connect it, twist till you hear a click, and you're good to go. Make sure the lens is put back in the proper cutout as well as the camera. Close up the case and you're good to go. Now let's get out there and get shooting.